Frisco Public Works prides itself in keeping city streets maintained and safe for travel. That upkeep includes sealing asphalt roadways.
It's to help preserve, protect, and prolong the life of the asphalt. Every 5 years, we do this on every asphalt road. Approximately 37 lane miles of asphalt streets in the city of Frisco, part of our preventive maintenance.
It's called micro-sealing.
The process is basically putting a mixture of asphalt, emulsion, aggregate, and water and placing it on the street, which seals it.
Workers notify residents when the sealing will be done, and the process is complete quickly.
The job usually takes anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes to dry, and then it's safe to drive on.
Every 5 years, Public Works budgets for the process, which is more cost-effective.
Doing the micro-sealing is cheaper than laying new asphalt on the streets. We prolong the life of the asphalt for another 7 to 10 years.
If you're aware of a street issue, please call Frisco Public Works at 972-292-5800 or email publicworks@friscotexas.gov.